Besides being considered the richest singer in the world, Rihanna is a mega entrepreneur who turned her fame into a real empire. But have you ever stopped to think about how this star lives? In this video, you will find out everything about Rihanna's luxurious life. Before we get started, I challenge you to click on subscribe and activate notifications. Career. Born in 1988 in Bridgetown, the capital of Barbados, Rihanna, born Robin Rihanna Fenty, emerged as a musical prodigy, launching her professional career at just 15 years old. Despite humble beginnings, her innate talent swiftly garnered attention, leading to a record deal with Def Jam, helmed by rapper Jay-Z. Her debut album introduced her to international audiences, but it was the release of Good Girl Gone Bad that catapulted her to global stardom, marked by hit singles like Umbrella, Shut Up and Drive, Hate That I Love You, and Don't Stop the Music. Rihanna's versatility across musical genres and her ability to consistently deliver chart-topping hits have earned her a staggering 230 awards, including 9 Grammys and 13 American Music Awards. Beyond her musical prowess, Rihanna has ventured into cosmetics and fashion, building an expansive business empire. Her entrepreneurial acumen has contributed to her immense wealth, affording her a life of luxury befitting her status as a global icon. Through talent, hard work, and strategic business ventures, Rihanna has cemented her legacy as one of the most influential figures in the music industry and beyond. Luxury shopping. Rihanna's impeccable style extends to her choice of accessories, where she spares no expense to make a statement. From designer handbags like the $5,000 limited edition Dior Graffiti and the $6,000 Louis Vuitton, to luxurious timepieces such as the $72,000 Red Jacob & Company watch and the $110,000 Patek Philippe Nautilus flyback chronograph, she exudes elegance and sophistication. Her penchant for extravagant jewelry is equally impressive, showcased by her $130,000 chocolate diamonds necklace worn at the 2018 Grammy Awards and her $250,000 8-carat diamond earrings. For special occasions like her 30th birthday and the secret post-Oscar party hosted by Beyoncé, Rihanna elevates her look with custom-made jewelry, with her ensemble totaling a staggering $1 million and $2.6 million respectively. Rihanna's fashion choices consistently make headlines, highlighting her unparalleled flair for luxury and style. Whether on the red carpet or at exclusive events, she continues to set trends and captivate audiences with her unparalleled sense of glamour. Real estate in Beverly Hills. Rihanna is a savvy investor in real estate, frequently acquiring and divesting properties. In 2021, she purchased a stunning mansion in Beverly Hills, California, situated on a 0.5-acre lot. This 7,600 square foot home, built in 1938 but extensively renovated, boasts contemporary design elements, including a deluxe kitchen with dual marble islands. Featuring 5 spacious bedrooms, 7 elegant bathrooms, a bar area, a gym with scenic views, and a sprawling outdoor space with an illuminated pool, the property epitomizes luxury living. Rihanna acquired it for $13.8 million and later listed it for rent at $80,000 per month. Previously, she owned another opulent mansion in Beverly Hills, an 8,500 square foot residence characterized by sophisticated architecture and modern amenities. The interior showcases a grand living room with soaring 32-foot ceilings, an integrated kitchen with wood-paneled furniture and burnt cement finishes, and a lavish master suite with a balcony overlooking the grounds. Outside, the property features a garage, a gourmet area with a heated saltwater pool and jacuzzi, and a barbecue area, offering luxurious outdoor living. Sold in 2014, this mansion was recently the home of John Legend and Chrissy Teigen before being listed for sale in 2021 for $16.8 million. Mansion in Los Angeles. Another residence that Rihanna has lived in is situated on a 1-acre lot located in the Pacific Palisades neighborhood in the city of Los Angeles, California. The 10,900 square foot mansion with very modern architecture, high ceilings, and lots of windows has 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and a spacious backyard with a pool and some lounges for when the singer wants to sunbathe. In this luxurious contemporary palace is currently available on the real estate market for the princely sum of $16 million. Cars. Rihanna's taste in transportation is as lavish as her success in the entertainment and business realms. From the adrenaline-pumping Porsche 997 Turbo S convertible, worth around $115,000, to the iconic Ferrari 458 Italia, valued at approximately $230,000, she indulges in high-performance sports cars with ease. Recently, she was spotted cruising in a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the epitome of luxury SUVs, priced at $380,000. For more refined outings, she opts for the opulent Maybach 57S, which can command up to $400,000. During her relationship with singer Chris Brown, Rihanna was gifted a Lamborghini Aventador, a powerful symbol of speed and prestige, estimated at $750,000. In turn, she surprised Brown with the rare Mercedes-Benz SLR Sterling Moss, a $1 million marvel featuring a carbon fiber chassis. Undoubtedly, Rihanna's garage boasts an enviable collection of vehicles, reflecting her penchant for extravagance and sophistication. Business. Rihanna's entrepreneurial prowess extends far beyond her music career, firmly establishing her as a formidable businesswoman. Her ventures, spanning from the streaming platform Tidal to her fashion and beauty brands, have achieved remarkable success. Fenty Beauty, launched in 2017, has garnered widespread acclaim for its inclusive range of makeup shades and boasts a substantial following on Instagram, owing much to Rihanna's immense online influence. Backed by LVMH, a renowned luxury conglomerate responsible for iconic brands like Christian Dior and Louis Vuitton, Fenty Beauty stands among the world's finest beauty companies. In collaboration with LVMH, Rihanna also introduced Fendi, a fashion brand encompassing clothing, shoes, accessories, and jewelry. Additionally, she co-owned Savage X Fenty, a lingerie line, further diversifying her business portfolio. Rihanna's creative endeavors extend beyond fashion and beauty. She has designed collections for brands like Armani and River Island and served as the creative director for Puma, achieving notable success with her clothing and footwear lines. Furthermore, Rihanna has ventured into the fragrance industry, releasing 11 perfumes to date, with her debut fragrance, Rebel Fleur, boasting sales of approximately $80 million. Additionally, her involvement in Tidal, the music app she co-owns, proved lucrative when 80% of its shares were sold in 2021 for $302 million, potentially resulting in a significant payout for Rihanna. Moreover, her forays into acting, with roles in films such as Valerian and Ocean's 8, have further showcased her versatility and contributed to her multifaceted success. Net worth. Rihanna's global influence extends beyond her music, with her entrepreneurial ventures propelling her to immense wealth. While her music tours, like the Diamonds World Tour, gross millions worldwide, she leveraged sponsorships to augment earnings, such as the $25 million Samsung deal during her Anti-World Tour. However, it's her business acumen that truly sets her apart. Fenty Beauty, where she owns a 50% stake, disrupted the beauty industry, generating over $550 million in its first year alone. Similarly, her lingerie brand, Savage X Fenty, in which she holds a 30% stake, made waves with a predicted stock market debut valued at $3 billion. These ventures, coupled with her music sales over 250 million records sold, underscore her status as the richest singer globally. Her return to the stage at the 2023 Super Bowl catapulted her digital album and music sales by over 300%, attesting to her enduring popularity. At just 34, Rihanna is America's youngest self-made billionaire, with an estimated net worth of $1.7 billion, cementing her legacy as a multi-facet powerhouse in both the entertainment and business worlds. Hey, did you like the video? Don't forget to leave your like and comment and tell some suggestions for other videos. Hopefully, we're gonna do it all about the channel deals to satisfy your curiosity.